Hi everybody, this is Greg DiBernardo from BergenDecks.com. I just want to take a few minutes to show you these new fasteners from FastenMaster called ThruLoks. And what they do is they eliminate all the problems with traditional carriage bolts. You don't have to drill, pre-drill, you don't need a wrench. These literally go in, if you're familiar with a ledger lock, they go in just as simply as a ledger lock screw, but they have these very interesting special nuts on the backside that really make them install quickly. So the FastenMaster ThruLok is a new way of doing a through bolt like you do with a traditional carriage bolt, a washer, and a nut. The nice thing about these is that they do not require pre-drilling, so it's a one-tool installation. You don't need a wrench. All you need is a drill or an impact driver, and they go in extremely quickly. If we take a closer look at this, it's very similar to the head of a ledger lock. In fact, it's the same nut driver tip. It's got a special washer on it that has little depressions in it and teeth that will actually bite into the lumber as you fasten it. So it's got a special nut that is designed to thread onto the tip of the ThruLok bolt. No wrench required. You'll see it's pretty straightforward. We're just going to literally use our impact driver to drive this through in one shot, put the special nut on the back, and we're done. No pre-drilling required, no auger bits. It's very simple. Real quick installation. Watch this. So, hang on. So, Sal, what's the first thing you asked me when I said I don't have a drill out, right?
Yeah, because we don't need to pre-drill them anymore.
Watch this. Impact driver. Done. Done. That's a thing of beauty. What's nice about this system too is included in the box are some extra washers in case you need to build out the bolt a little bit for whatever reason to reduce the length of the fastener.